Napapansin mo ba na dumadami ang hair fall mo tuwing nagsusuklay ka? O kaya yung kuko mo, konting galaw lang, napuputol agad? Minsan kasi, puro hair products lang ang focus natin. Pero, hindi lang nakadepende doon ang healthy hair and nails. That's why biotin may help as a simple addition to your routine. Biotin or vitamin B7 helps our body produce keratin, which is basically the main protein that makes up our hair and nails. Kaya naman, it really helps nourish hair follicles para mas mabilis humaba at mas makapal ang pagtubo. In fact, isang clinical study na ang nagpatunay nito. Sa loob ng 6 months na pag-take ng vitamin gummy supplement na may vitamin B, nakitang umabot sa 10.1% ang pagtaas ng kanilang hair density. Kasabay na ng self-assessed hair reduction sa shedding and breakage. It's a great way to elevate hair care from the inside out. Plus, may kasama itong vitamin A and E for skin protection. Just remember, supplements like this are meant to support your lifestyle. Hindi ito gamot sa mga medical hair loss conditions ha. Super dali lang ito isama sa araw-araw kasi mixed berry flavor ito. Pwede kang mag-take ng 1 to 2 gummies per day. Hindi mo na kailangan mamroblema sa paglunok ng malalaking tableta.